All right, Colton, you're up.
Right there, and then squeeze really hard.
It's hard, isn't it?
There you go. Good job.
Hey,
The milk.
you just milked a cow.
Yeah. Boomson.
Say that again. So what happened when you saw some steers out there in the pasture?
I'm thinking of horse egg.
And what did it make you? All right, kiddos, so what do you think? This is our pre-dairy farm lunch. You ready? Is that beef making you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, our steers eating from a taco's view. Ready? Wait for us, buddy. Guys. Both of you.
We want to say cows first, rabbits or goats? Rabbits first.
Ducks. He's loose. Watch out. Dun 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 dun.
That may be a killer bunny.
Killer bunny.
He might be a killer bunny.
Dun dun dun.
The killer bunnies are red eyes and not that.
Nice hand, nice and flat. Oh, he didn't get any. There you go. Nice and flat, nice and flat. Safety zone. Don't drop it. There you go, you got some.
Here you go.
You want to try some? Okay. Keep your hand nice and flat, don't dump it. Let's see. Oh, you're right. That thing laid an egg.
I already made it up.
Good find, guys. Good job.
It's like an eagle.
You think that's an eagle?
Yeah. Eagles can fly.
Watch out. Might have serious talons.
There's a boy over here.
Oh, look at these baby cows.
Okay.
They're hungry. Watch out. You see it in their eyes. You see it in their eyes. Dun, dun, dun. Go ahead. There you go. Don't make them stretch. Oh, no, you gotta hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Wow. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, they get it fast. And you're done.
Wow, look at all those cows. Look, see how they have a tag in their ear? Oh, so they can keep track. Did you know how we all have names? It's too hard to name every single cow. So it's better to just give them a tag and a number. Fight for pole position. Okay, everyone speak cow to them. Oh, they answered. Speak cow to them. It's a genetically altered zombie that goes for cow brains. Look, those two are wrestling. You see how they wrestle with their heads? Nah, you're gonna wrestle like a cow? That cow over there is mooing at you. Not happy with the situation. Not happy with the level of excitement right now. Oh, guess what? Hey, see that donkey?
Yeah.
Do you think that's a donkey on the edge?
Yeah. Bark, bark, bark,
It's working.
bark, 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 bark.
Here it comes.
Nay,
Pet him?
nay.
Yeah.
We can climb on it.
There you go. You do that, Ethan? Yeah, get on up there.
I'm a donkey on the edge and I don't care. We can't scare you. You're not asleep.
Oh, he's not scared of you at all. He's got his game face on.
And roar! I'm not gonna do it.
That ain't gonna do it.
I'm gonna act like a donkey and I'll act like a very... I will float.
6.5 hours later.
I'll fire on it. I'll fire on it.
Alright guys, goat feeding time.
Make sure you
You hear that? They'll eat the cup if you don't hold on to that cup tight. They're clamoring.
gotta get a little closer.
A bit closer, but there you go.
You got it.
Go for it, Ethan. Yep, a
I
bit
don't
closer.
want to eat that.
You don't want to beat that guy.
Big guy.
And, oh, yeah.
You almost ate it.
He just about had that cup.
No. Wait. Let's see the big
Here,
guy.
you wanna go over here?
Yeah, big
Come
guy.
into the-
How about this guy? Yeah.
No, he's the one that almost like bites you.
Go to him. Or go to him.
Yeah, there you go. That was a good choice. Man, look at all these antlers. These are actually antlers.
Gotta get born.
Uh-oh.
I'm no fun.
Tatanka.
A bad guy. A bad guy.
Very top, and you put the OK symbol right there, and you squeeze really, really hard to trap the milk, and then you just put your other finger. And there comes the milk. You want to try? Let's try.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
All right, Colton.
Let me hold your tail while I help y'all. Come here, Sam. Okay. So
All right,
put your
buddy.
finger like that.
Okay, you want to do it first, Ethan?
And she won't hurt you, I promise. And then she's just trying to step this kind of hard ground.
Okay,
Any four of them.
somebody go first. You want to go first or Colton? All right, Colton, you're up.
Right there. And squeeze really hard.
Oh, it is.
There you go. Good job.
Hey,
Milk.
you just milked a cow.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our milking parlor. We milk 90 cows a day, twice a day, 365 days a year. And usually we milk twice a day, one at 7 in the morning and one at 4 in the afternoon. So whenever they're ready to be milked, they come over here and they will be out here. There's 90 cows that live in here. They actually really like to be milked. It goes from here, from the little tubes to in this white tube, all the way down into this tube, and this tube leads to in there, which is a huge refrigerator. And it stores lots of milk.
We could see the big refrigerator.
No, we can't see that, because that has to be, you have to be really, really, really clean to go in there.
gotta be really.
That's right. And we know you two well enough to know you're not clean enough by any stretch of the imagination. All right, so this is Colton drinking milk straight from the cow. How you like it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Mine tastes like chocolate. But yours tastes like bland.
Bland.
It's
Do
bland.
you want to try it?
Okay.
Mmm.
What do you think about that?
Gave me M&M.
It does taste like M&M's, huh? All right, there's Colton double fisting it.
Freaking both.
Man,
Ugh.
yeah, healthy.
Well, sometimes these things are a flop, but this actually worked out.
Nah, this worked out really well. This is just old school farm.
Yep.
Hardly anyone else here except for one other family. I mean, that worked awesome. And they get to milk cows.
Yeah.
Come on. When do you get to do that on any of these tours these days? All right, hop in, troopers.
Boom, son.